Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are learning vocabulary about free time activities, and answering the question,
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
watch TV. Watch TV. I watch TV.
What do you do in your free time?
Go to the movies. Go to the movies. I go to the movies.
What do you do in your free time?
Play video games. Play video games. I play video games.
What do you do in your free time?
Listen to music. Listen to music. I listen to music.
What do you do in your free time?
Read books. Read books. I read books.
What do you do in your free time?
Surf the internet. Surf the internet. I surf the internet.
What do you do in your free time?
Play an instrument. Play an instrument. I play an instrument.
What do you do in your free time?
Go shopping. Go shopping. I go shopping.
What do you do in your free time?
Play sport. Play sport. I play sport.
What do you do in your free time?
Go out with friends. Go out with friends. I go out with friends.
What do you do in your free time?
Spend time with the family. Spend time with the family. I spend time with the family.
What do you do in your free time?
Go fishing. Go fishing. I go fishing.
What do you do in your free time?
Go to the cinema. Go to the cinema. I go to the cinema.
What do you do in your free time?
Go swimming. Go swimming. I go swimming.
What do you do in your free time?
Go dancing. Go dancing. I go dancing.
What do you do in your free time?
Do exercises. Do exercises. I do exercises.
What do you do in your free time?
Sleep late. Sleep late. I sleep late.
What do you do in your free time?
Chat to friends. Chat to friends. I chat with friends.
What do you do in your free time?
Make models. Make models. I make models.
What do you do in your free time?
Play the piano. Play the piano. I play the piano.
What do you do in your free time?
Play tennis. Play tennis. I play tennis.
What do you do in your free time?
Play table tennis. Play table tennis. I play table tennis.
What do you do in your free time?
Collect stamps. Collect stamps. I collect stamps.
What do you do in your free time?
Play the guitar. Play the guitar. I play the guitar.
What do you do in your free time?
Play basketball. Play basketball. I play basketball.
What do you do in your free time?
Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. I ride a bicycle.
What do you do in your free time?
Sing songs. Sing songs. I sing songs.
What do you do in your free time?
Take photos. Take photos. I take photos.
What do you do in your free time?
Hang out with friends. Hang out with friends. I hang out with friends.
What do you do in your free time?
Go camping. Go camping. I go camping.
What do you do in your free time?
Do homework. Do homework. I do homework.
What do you do in your free time?
Paint a picture. Paint a picture. I paint a picture.
What do you do in your free time?
Play chess. Play chess. I play chess.
What do you do in your free time?
Knit. Knit. I knit.
What do you do in your free time?
Cook. Cook. I cook.
What do you do in your free time?
Climb trees. Climb trees. I climb trees.
What do you do in your free time?
Fly a kite. Fly a kite. I fly a kite.
What do you do in your free time?
Play cards. Play cards. I play cards.
What do you do in your free time?
Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I go for a walk.
What do you do in your free time?
Do a puzzle. Do a puzzle. I do a puzzle.
What do you do in your free time?
Do origami. Do origami. I do origami.
What do you do in your free time?
Skip a rope. Skip a rope. I skip a rope.
What do you do in your free time?
Hike. Hike. I hike.
What do you do in your free time?
Write stories. Write stories. I write stories.
What do you do in your free time?
Garden. Garden. I garden.
What do you do in your free time?
Play football. Play football. I play football.
What do you do in your free time?
Go to picnic. Go to picnic. I go to a picnic.
What do you do in your free time?
Play boxing. Play boxing. I play boxing.
What do you do in your free time?
Go sunbathing. Go sunbathing. I go sunbathing.
What do you do in your free time?
Travel. Travel. I travel.
What do you do in your free time?
Climb a mountain. Climb a mountain. I climb a mountain.
What do you do in your free time?
Play darts. Play darts. I play darts.